everybody to Funky G Star TV. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now, there is this particular news when they make round everywhere about the police people. A police officer who slumped in office and confirmed death. Make we start with that one, and thereafter, I will take us down to see other things when they're happening in Nigeria. Okay. Top police officer slumps in office, confirmed dead. The divisional police officer, DPO, in charge of Ijomiken Police Station, Lagos State Police Command, CSP Bolaji Olubenga, is dead, according to the news. This is just breaking news. I think this thing happened yesterday. The DPO was said to have slumped in the office and died before he could be rushed to a hospital on Thursday night. The news of his death has thrown the officers attached to the station into mourning. A police officer from the division who spoke on condition of anonymity said the body of the officer had been moved to the mortuary. He slumped in the office on Thursday and was quickly rushed to the hospital, but sadly we lost him, he said. The State Police Command has yet to issue a statement on the incident as of the time of filing this report. Now, in this particular report, then they tell us about one policeman, what they call Olubenga Bolaji, when slumped in the office and died. I think it was yesterday, this time. But I say, make I take that one, open this particular segment. Now, this one, when we won't go into, it concerns the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi. Okay? This one, they tell us a court threatened to jail DSS DG, that is the Director General, over Nnamdi. Alright? The Director General, the court of the land, threatened to sentence that man to jail. So now here we go look into, make we see the reason why now court suddenly jump out, they threaten the DSS Director General. Now then they threaten them. But nobody know whether this particular one, whether they try to favor Nnamdi or they try to punish Nnamdi more with this kind of threatening the SSDG to jail. We never hear that one before. And now we hear it. So we don't know whether na another level when they won't go. Because we never hear this kind of news before when they tell us they won't jail one particular DSS officer because of somebody. I mean, court threatening the DSS boss with jail term because of Nnamdi. Make we see how this news, how they explain this issue to all of us. The Federal High Court in Abuja, the news they alert all of us. Say the Federal High Court in Abuja, say they don't come and they threaten to imprison the Director General of the State Security Service, will be SSS Adeola Ajayi, over the secret police refusal to allow lawyers access to Nnamdi. Okay, now we already got the reason why they want then threaten to jail these SSS people. Because remember, the news tell us they don't allow anybody to come visit the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. Ever since IPOB leader knocked that judge, what they call Binta Yanko, out from his case. But now Binta Yanko is back to the case again. The SSS have been at the DSS. They can't refuse visitors to come to see the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Not even his own family. Nobody. Ejimako don't come tell Nigerian people, say, man, they don't even know where the IPOB leader is located right now as we speak. They don't know where the man is. Nobody know where Nnamdi Kanu is as of this moment. So the court, they threaten this SSS people. See, man, when I got to, they allow people to come see the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Otherwise, I will imprison you. That is the message court they sent to the SSS boss. I think the man is a new boss, Adeola Ajayi. Now be the SSS people boss. Mr. Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, in the face terrorism charges. He is the leader of the prescribed indigenous people of Biafra. The IPOB leader has been in detention since he was brought back to Nigeria from Kenya in June 2021 under controversial circumstances. His legal team has repeatedly accused the SSS of denying them access to Mr. Kanu. The Federal High Court in Abuja, in a notice issued on Friday, warned Mr. Ajayi that further denial of the lawyer's access to the IPOB leader would amount to contempt of the court and might result in his Ajayi's imprisonment. The judge, Bintayanku, on the 20th May this year, had ordered the SSS to allow Mr. Kanu to receive visitors for 3 days in a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Take notice that unless you obey the direction contained in this order, by allowing the complainant Kanu's counsel to conduct court order visitations with the applicant on Mondays, Wednesday, and Friday, you will be guilty of contempt of court and will be liable to be committed to prison. The court warned Mr. Ajayi in the Friday's notice. Mr. Ejimako said the registrar of the court issued the notice. The notice was titled From 48 Notice of Consequences of Disobedience of the Order of Court brought pursuant to Order IX Rule 13 of Sheriff and Civil Processes Act, blah, 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 blah. Apart from Mr. Ajayi, the court directed that the federal government should be served with the notice through their lawyers. Ade Boyenga Uwomolo, a senior advocate of Nigeria. Yes. They say if they not allow, according to the court, ladies and gentlemen, the court said to the SSS people, where they hold the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, say if they not allow Nnamdi Kanu, to receive his visitors, according to the news, say they go jail them. Is that all? Now the only thing when court, now the only order when court fit give SSS be that. The people when they call SSS when holding Nnamdi Kanu, it's like they are above the law. We have been watching them. We have been watching their move. That is everything about these people. Everything about them, not just nonsense. All of these people we talk about in this platform. The court, the same court, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, the same court freed Nnamdi Kanu. The same court tell them, say, make una leave Nnamdi Kanu. Today, they see they play hanky-panky with Nnamdi Kanu's release and Nnamdi Kanu's life. The same court, when they want them not tell and say, man, if we not allow people to come and visit this guy in the prison, then we are going to send you people to jail. Right? How do you think the SSS or the DSS people then go respect this kind of threats? Because they said the court threatened to jail the SSS leader, that is their boss. That is what they are telling us. Do you think it's possible for the court to jail this SSS boss, this Yoruba man, when not releasing Nnamdi Kanu? Although the Yoruba man not be the man when they there before. This present one, a new one, appointed by Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Remember, they just removed the other one when they call Buchi. Buchi, when be the leader before. This one a new one, a Yoruba man. So they're not the same SSS people when holding Nnamdi Kanu. They not obey to release him. And nothing happened up to today. Because going to 2 years plus, if I'm not mistaken, when court don't tell them somebody releasing Nnamdi Kanu, the man is still there. The same group of people, when be SSS people. Now, the court, they come and they tell us, oh, we go jail now. If we not allow the visitors to come, we go jail now. I know she see that kind of threatening go work with these SSS people. Why the same court people, they're not threatening them? If una they do good job, or una one favor Mr. Kanu, and all of una they there, una when they court, una when be court men and women, when they call judges and lawyers and all whatnot. Una one do una, or the same una when be caught, ask them to release Nnamdi Kanu, that Nnamdi Kanu didn't commit any crime. The same una again now, the same people, ladies and gentlemen, they come, they warn the SS will see if we not allow visitors to come visit Nnamdi Kanu according to the court, say we will jail you people. All this does not make sense. Why una not come out now when be the same group of people, when be the court people, come and contact the person when they in charge there? Look, we already freed Nnamdi Kanu. The court have already made their verdict. They don't deliver verdict to everybody concerning Nnamdi Kanu. And the verdict be say Nnamdi Kanu are innocent. We ask you guys to release Nnamdi Kanu for a very long time now. We are not agree releasing Nnamdi Kanu. So if we are not releasing Nnamdi Kanu today, we give you 24 hours. You are going to prison. That one is more better threatened than this one for visitors. They don't release that man when all of us see the whole there. Nnamdi Kanu not do anything. Nnamdi Kanu is an innocent man. God have court itself when una, the same una, don't make the verdict. Say, man, Nnamdi Kanu na free man. So if the court they come through that point, it will make more sense to me. But this one of this thing, not make any sense. Threaten these people, say leave, releasing Nnamdi Kanu because you have been pronounced innocent.